And it's like there are just so many tabs open and suddenly everything feels a bit muddled, right? And your team is there spending what feels like ages just trying to track down an Airbnb policy, all for one single guest inquiry. And it's almost funny in a way because you're thinking, surely this should be simpler, but instead you're clicking through endless pages trying to find that one thing you need.
Now, let's take a look at how this spreadsheet works. It's designed as a one-reference database for guest communication. First, we select the policy type from the drop-down. This could be flexible, moderate, firm, strict, or non-refundable. Next, we choose the cancellation timing, for example, 14 days before check-in. Then, immediately the refund outcome column updates. Here, it shows whether the guest is eligible for a full refund, no refund, or a partial refund. Alongside that, the quick explanation column provides a simple, clear summary of the policy. This ensures the team understands the reasoning behind the outcome. Finally, the system generates 2 ready-to-copy templates. One explains the policy with an official Airbnb link, and the other guides the guest step by step on how to cancel their reservation. With just a few clicks, your team has everything they need. No more searching multiple tabs, no more inconsistent replies. Just one streamlined database that empowers your team and delivers clear answers to guests. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. I hope this simple automation helps streamline your team's communication workflow. If you'd like to have a copy of this system, you're much welcome to download the spreadsheet directly from my website. The link is available just below this article. Thanks again. Marie, Chris.